Hi friends, today we are going to study a previous question of FSO. Question number 1. Consumption of raw soybeans can be harmful to health because of the presence of following anti-nutritional factor. Option A, phytic acid, B, tannins, C, oxalates, D, trypsin inhibitor. Answer, option D, trypsin inhibitor. Question number 2. In a standard fruit jam preparation, the content of total soluble solids should not be less than option A 68% weight by weight, B 45% weight by weight, C 65% weight by weight, D 70% weight by weight. Answer, option C 65% weight by weight. Question number 3. The safe level of irradiation for food which presents no toxicological hazard is option A 5 kgy, B 10 kgy, C 7 kgy, D 25 kgy. Answer, option D 25 kgy. Question number 4. Subjecting rice to higher degree of polishing is associated with following. Option A. Better nutritional density and easy digestibility. B. Better glycemic index and suitability for diabetics. C. Lowered nutritional and better cooking characteristics. D. Higher bioavailable nutrients and lowered sensory quality. Answer, option C. Lowered nutritional and better cooking characteristics. Question number 5. The borrowing occurring in cut apples on aeration is due to the presence of A. Polyphenolases, B. Oxidoreductances, C. Polymeric oxidases, D. Polyhydrogenases. Answer, option A. Polyphenolases.
FSSAI stands for Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Identify the correct group of stimulating constituents present in tea: caffeine, theobromine, theophylline. Acceptable daily intake level of additives to derived from following. Answer, level at which toxicity may not occur in humans. Next question. Identify the cluster of essential amino acids for humans from the following: linolenic acid, linoleic acid, and arachidonic acid. Aseptic packaging refers to packaging sterile food in sterile atmosphere in sterile packaging. Next question. The latest indicator organism for proper pasteurization is Coxiella burnetii. Then Rasagola is prepared using channa. Next question. Aseptic packaging is used after which among the following processing method? Answer, UHT pasteurization. The water percentage of cow milk is approximately 87%. Which among the following practice reduces the occurrence of mastitis? Answer, teeth dipping. Which among the following is used to test fat in milk? Milko tester. The bacterial culture used to prepare yogurt contains Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Next question. Which among the following is used to sterilize milk cans in dairies? Answer, iodophor solution. The base material for preparing Srikhand is answer, chakka. Outlines of dairy technology is written by Sukumar Day. The pink color characteristic of cured meat is due to nitrosyl hemochromogen. Natural casing for sausage preparation is derived from intestinal submucosa. Then PSC condition of pork is caused due to answer option D, both A and C, that is short-term pre-slaughter stress and rapid decline of muscle pH. The vitamin which is absent in chicken egg, vitamin C. The bacterium known as terror of deep due to the seafood poisoning it causes with the highest fatality rate of any foodborne bacterium, that is Vibrio vulnificus. The stunning method recommended for slaughter of adult cattle is penetrative captive bolt pistol. Next question. The dressing percentage for pig is approximately 75%. Then dash is used for testing the effectiveness of bleeding of carcass. Answer option D, all of the above, that is sodium nitrate, malachite green, sodium ascorbate. The larval nematode worm seen in striated muscle of pigs infecting human beings after ingestion of such infected pork is Trichinella spiralis. Next question. Pick out the wrong statement. Answer option C. Bloom is the term used for preservation of meat using salt. This option is wrong one. Then 31st question. In a complaint against several accused, if the complainant withdraws his complaint against one accused, the magistrate can answer option C, acquit the particular accused against whom the complaint is so withdrawn. Next question. An application for bail under section 438 CRPC can be filed before option D, High Court or Court of Session. Next question. In a trial before a court of session, prosecution shall be conducted by public prosecutor. Then private complaint can be filed before the court under section 190 of CRPC. Then next question. Examination of complainant by the magistrate taking cognizance of an offence is not required if a court answer a court has made the complaint. Next question. Admissibility of documents procured by illegal means under Indian Evidence Act is admissible if relevant and its genuineness proved. Next question. Primary evidence under Section 61 of Indian Evidence Act means original documents produced before the court. Next question. Unlicensed sale of food shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months and fine up to rupees 5 lakhs. Death caused due to consumption of any food purchased from a seller is liable to be compensated with not less than rupees 5 lakhs. Next question. The maximum penalty to be imposed on a person who sells any food which is not in compliance with the provisions or regulations of Food Safety Act is rupees 10 lakhs. Option A. Then Energy yield per unit weight of food is known as energy density. Next question. RQ of fat is less than carbohydrates because fats have lesser oxygen content. Next question. Specific dynamic action refers to increased heat production following intake of food. Question number 44. Dash is an essential amino acid. Answer threonine. Then, which of the following has the lowest iodine number? Answer beef fat. Scurvy can be cured by the administration of ascorbic acid. Dietary fiber represents the following nutrient group. Carbohydrate. Answer carbohydrate. The one which is not used as a clarifier. Answer phosphotungstic acid. Next question. Ionization technique not used in mass chromatography is radiation. Inhomogeneity of flow velocities and path length around packing particles in column chromatography leads to answer retention. Next question. The protective agent used in cryopreservation of bacterial cells. Answer option B, DMSO. Next question. Staining of specimens using uranyl acetate has been used in transmission electron microscope. Next question. Which of the following is a type of food intoxication? Answer botulism. Next question. Ashbia gossypii is used commercially for the production of riboflavin. Enrichment of lax due to high concentration of organic nutrients is called eutrophication. Next question. The sanitizer commonly used for treatment of drinking water, sodium hypochlorite. Which of the following is a semi-perishable food? Potato. The temperature used in HTST pasteurization is 161 degree Fahrenheit. Which of the following is not involved in the fermentation of sauerkraut? Answer Leuconostof delbrueckii. This organism is not involved in the fermentation of sauerkraut. Next question. Enzyme used for the clarification of fruit juice. Answer pectinase. Tapping and aroma are maturity indices of jackfruit. Next question. Evaporative cooling system saturated with water is used in zero energy cool chamber. Next question. W and O emulsions are used in answer option D, none of these. The most destructive of all field rats is Bandicoota bengalensis. Aflatoxin is the mycotoxin produced by Aspergillus flavus. Capra beetle is a serious pest of stored wheat. Most widely used chronic poison in rodent control is warfarin. Then Calosobrochus chinensis is a storage pest of pulses. Then commercially the most viable mushroom world over is oyster mushroom. Next question. The best disinfectant for the empty store is the use of malathion. The following questions are from mental ability and English portion. So you have to work out these problems by yourself. I have given some hints along with the max problems for the reference.